Zany boss, suicide door, brand new bag. College girls, give a nigga head in my raps. Rockstar life, so much money, I'll make you laugh. Hey, the bitch they hate, you can't miss what you never had. Hey.
What's up, villains? It's Dylan Full. Today we are driving Clark Gable, the 3000 GT rally car. I've barely driven it at all in the last like 8 months since filming Idiot Kana due to various issues. We had messed up motor mounts, which I did fix. We had a messed up clutch, which magically fixed itself, and a dead battery, which hopefully I got charged yesterday. Let's find out. There's the 3-liter V6. And so this volt stabilizer is what kills the battery for some reason if you leave it plugged on. So we have to unplug it. All right, let's see if she'll fire up. What are the chances? 50-50? Oh, you're getting slammed. Oh, okay. Doesn't even try. That sucks. Okay. All right, battery jumper's on. Nothing. Well, she fired up. I left the battery charger on for a few minutes and it worked. A little nervous about trailing her an hour and a half and then hoping it starts again, but I don't know. Risk it for the biscuit. We're all loaded up. Let's head down to Mexico and have some fun. We made it to this epic dirt road in the middle of Mexico. I'm really excited. I scouted this road like 6 months ago. Thought it was gonna be awesome for rallying. It's a little bumpier than I remember. Hopefully it'll be okay. Pull the car off the trailer and do some recce. Now that we made it all the way here, what are the chances that it starts? Come on. Woo! Yes! Oh, epic. That was real 50-50 on that one. If you're new here, welcome. This is Clark Gable, my 3000 GT rally car. It is an SL front wheel drive. We're on snow tires and K-Sport gravel rally suspension, stripped interior. It was a complete shitbox when I got it, but we cleaned it up and today is going to be awesome ripping these gravel roads. All right. We are off. We'll just do a little bit of scouting. I have no idea how far back this road goes or what it's like. Make sure there's no crazy dips, drop-offs, whatever. It's gonna be fun though. It's so bumpy. This road is epic. I found this awesome section with a really cool uphill section into some switchbacks into the forest. We're gonna set up some cameras and send it. All right, let's send it. Of course, we start massively overheating as soon as I start trying to do any rallying. I'm so over this car. I don't know what's wrong with it. I was not pushing it at all. So it turns out we were very down on coolant. I put my 2-liter water bottles in there. It still needed more, so I went and bought a gallon from the gas station and put that entire thing in it. And maybe now we're good. Let's go find out. All right, we're ready for take 2. Hopefully that 2 gallons of water I added will help it from overheating. I don't know what happened to it. I didn't see it in the oil, so hopefully we're okay. And if you're wondering how the car got this far away from the trailer, it's because it rolled down there as soon as I disconnected it. Oops. Luckily I stopped it. So we are idling really high, which is a new thing. I'm not sure how that happened, but everything else looks okay. So we'll just start out easy and see what happens. All right, we're doing good. Temperatures look normal. Roadway is clear. I'm pumped. All right, let's rally.
Off the juice, codeine got me tripping. Got the coupe, walker roof is missing. Ice, lemonade, my neck was tripping. Ice, lemonade, my neck was tripping.
Addy boys got some 60s in my bag. Lips sealed like pillow talking on no rag. In my earlobe got 2 carats, VVS. Got a penthouse near Rodeo, off the stairs. All this money when I grew up, I had nothing. Filled with backstabbing, my whole life's disgusting. Can't believe it, gotta thank God that I'm living comfortably. Get checks, I don't believe, but she say she done with me. Burn some bridges and I let the fire light the way. Kicking my feet up, left the PJs on a PJ. Yo, I'm a big.
The four-wheel drive just pulls it around these corners. It's so epic. We're staying cool. Woohoo! I can't believe that is working. I drove it for way longer than I should have on high, but I'll take it. I almost went home and called it, but I'm glad I didn't. Oh, and check this out. The idle had fixed itself. It was at 2 before, now it's at 1. We'll take it. The magic car that fixes all its own problems. Alright, I don't hate it as much as I thought I did. Still got the debate, do I keep this and keep pushing it into a rally car, or do I sell it and get something all-wheel drive that I could actually rally? I go back and forth every day. What do you guys think? It started to rain, I forgot I don't have wipers. That's a mistake.
Burn some bridges and I let the fire light the way. Kicking my feet up, left the PJs on a PJ. Yeah, I'm a big dog and I walk around with no leash. I got water on me, yeah, everything on Fiji.
Zany boss, suicide door, brand new bag. College girls, give a nigga head in my raps. Rockstar life, so much money, I'll make you laugh. Hey, the bitch they hate, and you can't miss what you never had. Hey, hey, off the juice, codeine got me tripping. Got the coupe, walker roof is missing. Ice, lemonade, my neck was tripping. Ice, lemonade, my neck was tripping. I rock star, pick up doors, tipping walls, hey. Add up raw, finish dogs, and it's bars, hey. I was 15, I took codeine with my dog, hey. Did it Percocet, put methazine, I feel nauseous. Put up a stick and I hop on a plane, still in my wall, wait. Shit is so risky, I gotta be gifted. He blessed me with fortune and fame. I remember from 50, I couldn't go back empty. I knew I was stuck to the game. Loyal and I never change. I'm never gonna go against the grain. I'm never gonna be the one turn on my brother when police gotta detain. I won't ever love a bitch more than my mother, and that's on my government name. Can't be no sucker, ain't hating on no one. I wish everybody get paid, cause we can't up every day. Getting hot talent in the grave. Zany boss, suicide door, brand new bag. College girls, give a nigga head in my raps. Rockstar life, so much money, I'll make you laugh. Hey, the bitch they hate, and you can't miss what you never had. Hey, hey, off the juice, codeine got me tripping. Got the coupe, walker roof is missing. Ice, lemonade, my neck was tripping. Ice, lemonade, my neck was tripping.
This is wild. I think I broke my bumper. Had a little kind of off. Oh, it didn't break it. Just loosened it a little bit. That's all right. All right, we crashed the drone. Where do you think it went? Somewhere in the hill. It's so hard trying to fly the drone and rally drive. Who would have thought? Found it. I think it's still alive. All right, well, the drone lasted another 2 seconds before it crashed into a tree. It sounds like it's real high up there. It's somewhere in this one, I think. I'm in the tree, probably 40 feet off the ground, and I can see it. It's right there. I just don't know if I can get to it. Oh, this is crazy. I shouldn't be flying and droning, I guess, is the moral of this story. Alright, let's get it. Ah, we're so close. Whew. Alright, we got it. That's half the battle. We're really high up here. Now I need to get down. This is way high off the ground. Whew, made it. Let me see if, oh god, I'm gonna trip over a stick. It was way up there. It's 40, 50 feet, like somewhere in that. All right, let's call it a day on that one.